Hi, this is Royden, the project manager from DBP Solutions. Do you have chances using multiple currency in your business transactions? Or have you ever received payment from customer in different currencies than the invoice issue? Now, let's explore how can DBP Trade help you easily tackle these situations. This is our main menu. From here, we can go to exchange rate under setup. First, let's have a look of the base currency. In this screen, the Hong Kong dollar is the base currency. If you are running multiple businesses in DBP Trade, you may need to have different base currency for each business. Now, let's take a look of the currency table at the left-hand side. You can set up unlimited number of currency in this table, and from here we can see the latest exchange rate of each currency. So let me show you the exchange rate history of euro by clicking the triangle button next to the exchange rate column. And now you can see the exchange rate history of euro is showing at the right hand side table. Other than the latest exchange rate 10.9555, we can see there are two previous exchange rates of euro. We have just seen how does DBP Trade store the exchange rates for different currencies. Now, let's see how easy to update the exchange rate. This is the latest exchange rate of euro to Hong Kong dollar from the HSBC website. Let me copy the rate first. To enter the new rate, click New from here and paste the rate inside. And now it's done. If you don't want to update the currency one by one manually, you can click this button, Update Exchange Rate from HSBC. And now, DBP Trade is downloading exchange rate data from the website of HSBC Hong Kong. And you can see the download is complete. And after clicking the Submit button, the system will automatically create new exchange rate records. As you can see, there is a column effective date in the exchange rate table. So let me show you how it works in our system. Let me create a new DBP from here and choose EDC in the company abbreviation. And now you can see the exchange rate showing next to the currency is the latest rate 10.0035 because the issue date of this DBP is on or after the effective date of the latest rate. Now, I use another window to create a new DBP, but I will first change the issue date to a few days before. Then enter same EDC in company abbreviation. And now you can see the exchange rate is not the latest rate 10.0035, and it is the previous one with the effective date on March 30th in 2011. How does DBP Trade handles received payment from customer in different currency than the invoice issued? It's easy. On this screen of sales invoices, you can see customer Rock Gallery has 3 invoices with outstanding amount. There is 1 invoice in Hong Kong dollar and 2 of them are in US dollar. Earlier today, our bank informed us this customer had deposited a lump sum of euro 7,536 via wire transfer to settle these 3 invoices. Let me use another window to show you how to process the AR receipt entry. First, we will create a new AR receipt record by clicking here. Then enter here with RGR, which is the abbreviation of Rock Gallery. Since the default currency of World Gallery is US dollar, we need to manually change the currency to euro first. Then enter the bank and the reference number. Now we can start entering the invoice records for this received payment. First, we click the SI button to search for all invoices of World Gallery. Then we click this Select All button to select all 3 invoices. And then we click the Submit button. Now, you can see the pay amount of those 3 invoices have been converted into euro by system. You can refer to the pay amount column here. However, remember earlier that I said the amount received in our bank account is euro 7,536, but the total amount showing here is 0.41 less than it. To offset this minor difference, simply add 0.41 in the paid amount field in one invoice above. So let me change the pay amount of the first invoice from 2,789.08 to 2,789.49. Now, system has prompted a message saying the paid amount I enter is greater than the balance of the relevant invoice, and it will add the balance to exchange difference column. So let me click OK to proceed. And now, the total pay amount showing here is euro 7,536, which is same as the amount we received in our bank account. We have one more situation here. The balance in base currency of original invoice still has minor balance coming from exchange rate conversion. To get rid of these minor balances, you can click this button to move the balance in base currency into the column of exchange difference. Now, let's switch back to see those 3 sales invoices. We can see both the outstanding amount in original currency and outstanding amount in base currency have changed to 0. If you want to learn more about the feature showing in this video clip, or if you want to discover more features of DBP Trade, please contact us or visit our website for more video clips.